Hello, everybody, and happy day 15 of my series Through the Decades, where I explore music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Today is our first day in the 80s. I'm so excited. We're going to be listening to 7 80s songs this month, starting with Eurythmics. I think I said that right. Here Comes the Rain Again. This is Annie Lennox. I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but I have reacted to one Annie Lennox song, Why, which I absolutely love. And this is with Dave Stewart, because I believe he's part of Eurythmics as well. I also saw when I looked up their song that Sweet Dreams is their music, their song. I know that song. Sweet dreams are made of these. So I feel like people will request that song after. I've already heard it, so I'm not going to react to it. I'm so excited to listen to this because I have loved Why ever since I reacted to it. It was literally like a month or two ago. Again, it's one of my most viewed videos, like over 60,000 views, and I just absolutely love the song. Even on TikTok, I think my TikToks of it have like over 50,000 views. But again, I'm not a thirst monster. I didn't jump on the Annie Lennox train once that video got a bunch of views. I wanted to make sure I'm doing it at the right time, and I do want to, make sure I have enough, put enough effort and time into reacting to her music. So let's jump in. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. I'm going to let you know what we're listening to tomorrow after this. And it's another group that has been highly, highly requested on this channel for quite some time now. All right, here we go. Here Comes the Rain Again. We are watching the music videos because I feel like 80s, you kind of need the music video. 70s videos are not that good, so that's why I never played them. Beautiful. Wow. This feels spiritual, like poetry. Chaperone kind of sounds like her. He's stalking her. That background vocal. This video is beautiful, by the way. Wow. Okay, I have so many thoughts. First, I hear similarities between "Sweet dreams are made of these" in that chorus melody, which I just found out is from them. Um, Annie Lennox's voice is so focused, and I feel like so many artists are inspired by her. I'm thinking Chappell Roan. I'm thinking Lady Gaga. They sound so similar to her at parts that I just know she's a big influence to them. Um, Her voice is mesmerizing. I feel like that's really the way I can describe it. It's so deep and captivating. Like it really just grabs you by the shoulders and it's like, listen to me. I need to be heard. The lyrics, so beautiful. This song sounds so 80s from what I've heard. I'm hearing "Take on Me," like the same sound. I think the 80s has maybe the most distinct sound of all the decades, that at least from what I've heard. And this has that distinctly 80s sound to it, which makes me so excited for this week where we'll listen to a lot more 80s tracks. Will they follow suit? I'm not sure. We'll find out. Maybe it's not as singular. The sound wasn't as singular as I think. Maybe we'll explore different sounds. I'm not sure. Overall, I would rate this again a 10 out of 10. We are 2 days in a row where we've got 10 out of 10. Actually, probably like 3 or 4. I didn't rate the days before. So, tomorrow's song. I know you guys are curious. Tomorrow we are going to be listening to, like I mentioned, another group that is highly requested on this channel. It is "Need You Tonight" by In Excess. I'm so excited to listen to In Excess because, again, they are somebody who I get comments pretty much every single day requesting music of theirs. I just haven't gotten to it. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll get to it. I absolutely love this. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what other Eurythmics and Annie Lennox songs I need to hear. Stay tuned. Click subscribe. Peace out.